Hi, my name is Carter Gray, a chartered life underwriter at Pacific Insurance Group, and today I will teach you how to run an online life insurance quote. First, you need to start with finding a website like Pacific Insurance Group. When you come to the website, you'll see the option for free instant life insurance quotes on the left-hand side. What most people don't understand is the health classification is the best place to start. So Preferred Plus is for people who are in great health. Preferred is the next one down, Regular Plus, and Regular would be standard. Then it moves into substandard ratings, but that's not available on this website. So enter in the date of birth and the state. The reason why that's important is because insurance companies go 6 months closest to when it comes to your insurance age. If you're uncomfortable entering your exact date of birth, I would recommend moving it out a couple weeks, which buys you the time to apply and potentially get a rating on the table. So first, let's just pick a state like Oregon. We're going to go with date of birth of June 15, 1975. We're looking at, in the drop down, here are your products, your choices to choose from. 1 year level term would mean that it goes for 1 year. After the first year, it will go up in premium. That is not reflected in this rate. So the cheapest possible life insurance would be a 1 year level term. That's annual renewable term. It'll start out for the first year at $15.12 per month, and it'll increase each year after that. If you hit the back button, it'll take you back to our website where you can select the most common is a 20-year term. If you hit the Compare Now button, you'll see Lincoln Financial Group pops up at the top, as well as several other insurance companies. What's important to note when looking at online life insurance quotes is the lowest price doesn't always mean you're going to get this. What I mean by that is this is showing a Preferred Plus non-tobacco. Other companies might come in and you might get that super preferred rate with one carrier over the other carrier. So in the end, you might apply with one company like Lincoln, and it turns out that a company like North American or American National has a little bit more lenient underwriting, and they end up getting a Preferred Plus. So going with the top quote isn't always the best way to go. You're better off actually talking to somebody at our office or a knowledgeable independent insurance producer who can help you determine the underwriting classification accordingly. Some companies are better with smokers. For example, if you scroll down, Prudential offers non-tobacco ratings even if people smoke e-cigarettes, chew tobacco, or smoke cigars and have nicotine in their system at this point in time. Then it moves into permanent life insurance. So if you're looking at a permanent life insurance quote, you'll want to select the drop down which says to age 121, no lapse. The no lapse portion is important because a lot of life insurance illustrations are based on current assumptions, where this solve here will guarantee the premium and guarantee the death benefit for your lifetime or until age 121. When you click on that, you'll see North American comes up currently at the top of the list with a monthly premium of $241.50. What that means is if you pay that premium, that death benefit of $500,000 is guaranteed for until age 121. That's the solve. What this does not show you is the actual illustration. In order to get the actual illustration, you have to speak with a licensed appointed representative or insurance agent to look at and analyze the actual illustration. So this is great in theory for getting the quotes and comparing them between companies, but what the actual illustration shows is right here. And you'll see that this one is 12 pages long. Some illustrations are as long as 30 pages. What's important to know when you look at the illustration is the guaranteed elements. So what you find in this illustration is that the premium is guaranteed level as you scroll down until age 100 and premiums stop, and the guaranteed death benefit goes on until age 120. So if you live past age 100, premiums stop, you would have paid in a total death premium amount of $170,982, and the death benefit is $500,000. Also in the illustration, it will show you about riders or accelerated benefits. So if you look in particular at this illustration, you will see that this contract allows for terminal, chronic, and critical illness. So terminal, chronic, critical illness. And it defines what those illnesses are and what can be accelerated. So not all life insurance contracts are created equally. Understanding the intricacies between them is important. What that does, which is not shown when you look on an online quoter for permanent life insurance or term insurance rates. So that's the quick play-by-play. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at our office at 425-246-4222 or shoot us an email. That's all for now. Is that it?